Vegan kimchi. Cut the cabbage in half from the root. Only cut halfway, do not cut all the way through. For the uncut leaves, separate them by hand. Make 2 cuts at the root to help absorb the flavor. Do not cut all the way through. Separate by hand. Make several cuts at the base like this. Rinse with tap water 2 to 3 times. Start preparing the salt water. How much salt water? It should be enough to soak the cabbage, and it's slightly salty. I usually dilute it at a 1:6 ratio, salt to water. This ratio achieves the desired level of saltiness. Okay. It's time to start pickling. Use a heavy object to keep it fully submerged in brine. I used stones. If you don't have stones, you can use a pot filled with water. It needs to be marinated for 6 hours. It's done marinating. Can you tell? The marinated cabbage should be rinsed once or twice. While draining the water in a colander, prepare the sauce. The ingredients include 4 green onions, a piece of ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, and half an onion. Choose pears that are crisp and juicy. Green onions, garlic, ginger. Place them in a blender and blend until smooth. To the blended mixture, add a handful of chili powder, a handful of salt, and a handful of sugar. Mix well. Adjust for taste. You can add more chili powder, salt, and sugar. While making the sauce, most of the water has been drained from the cabbage. First, cut it in half vertically. Then, cut it into small pieces horizontally. Yummy! After mixing well, store it in a glass jar.